Alright guys, I have a challenge lock before you. Hole Breach by Pickaholic. Here's the key, and interestingly there's a mummied key as well, so I'm not sure why this key does work. So I'm curious to see why there's that second mummied key. For this lock, I'm going to use the 40 thousandths tension wrench from the Longhorn set, and a Peterson hook number 1 and 23 thousandths. I think it's 23. That could be 25. I don't remember offhand. Let's see what we have. Oh, sorry, move my hand. There we go. This is a fun lock. I'm prone to overset things, so you may see me have to reset it once or twice before the lock opens. Okay, just dropped into a false set. So now I'm just gonna go down the line and look for a counter rotation. I think it's on 4. Okay, deeper false set. I think that may be 1. Alright, let's try it. Okay, set 1. Let's just make sure it's not open. Okay. That is pretty deep. Uh, 3. Let's try 3. All right. Now is it open? That's so close. Okay. Alright, now it is open. So it opened on 3. Ooh. That's the quickest I've ever opened that. Normally when I have to manually counter rotate on either 1, or I think it's 3. We'll find out if it's 3 or not. Normally when I have to manually counter rotate, I drop everything. You can see that it is open. Oh, sorry guys. Keep it in frame. Move this over. Yeah, that is a very fun lock. Great feedback. I just kept oversetting things or rotating too far and dropping everything, so this lock made me work for it, for sure. Remove the screws. Oh, and just a reminder to any of you that haven't seen my 100 subscriber video, that is going on right now. So if you would like to enter my giveaway, leave a comment and I'll do the drawing probably in a few weeks. Alright. You can see already that number 1 and number 4 are kind of wallowed out. So I think it was 4 and not 3 that I had to manually counter it at the end. Looks like 5 has been modified a little bit, not as much though. You can see the size of that hole. Alright. Number 1. Beautiful torpedo. 2 is normal. 3 is normal. 4 is a torpedo also. Those are ones that probably I was over setting it on. 5 is a Whoop. Slippery one. 5 is also a torpedo, but with a pretty long, skinny section. Alright, let's check number 1. Make sure we're all situated. Nice homemade spool with a very sharp lip. Steel spring. Number 2 is normal, no modifications. Same type of spring. Number 3 is also normal, same spring. Whoop. Oh man. That just fell. I'll grab that in a second. It looked like a spool almost made out of steel. It was silvery. And another spool in 4. That explains all those nice deep falsets I had. Same spring. Alright. Really quickly, I'm going to see if I can find what dropped. That's hilarious. Okay. So it's just right there on the floor. You can see that. Come on, camera. Beautiful work. So, very fun lock. Great feedback. 1 and 4 are undercut. 5 might have some threading. Yeah, I think 5 has some light threading. Yep. 2 and 3 are normal. Not seeing anything done in here. So here's what we have here. Zoom in a little bit. We had some overset traps in 1, 4, and 5, or if you lift it even a little bit too far, you would fall into that, which happened to me several times. I've been playing with this lock. 2 and 3 were completely normal. 1 is beautiful homemade spool with that super sharp lip. That would fall into the counter milling really easily. Same with 4. The lip's not quite as sharp, but either way, with that counter milling, that made that very fun. And 5's more of a normal spool, so there wasn't counter milling in 5, but there was threading, so that would affect that one. All of the springs are the same. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed what you saw. Once again, that was Hole Breach by Pickaholic. I'll include a link to his channel in the description. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. Thank you for watching. One more thing. So I just reassembled the lock, and I remembered we never looked under here. Where did I put my knife? So we never looked to see why this other key was mummied. So let's just look behind this really quickly. See if we can figure it out. Okay, that's 1 layer. 7 more. Come on. Pretty sure these are the same. I wonder why this was mummied then. Whoop. That one works. There's that one. Okay, so I'm not sure. If anyone knows why this other key was mummied, please let me know. Thanks for watching.